Good afternoon, Christian from T.W White Sons, here to give you a video walk around of a very special car that's just arrived with us. It's a 2010 on a 60 Mercedes C350. So yeah, 3.5 litre petrol engine, auto transmission in a wonderful colour combination of dark blue, light interior. Just an irreplaceable car. Not something we would typically have arrive at the dealership with us, but given the age and the history of the car, the fact it's also a one-owner vehicle from new, we couldn't see something like this go to the trade, so decided to sell it ourselves. As I mentioned, one private owner from new, a full and complete documented Mercedes-Benz service history, which I'll show you in a second. And yeah, a staggering engine. It sounds absolutely wonderful, and very smooth indeed. Quite a rare option for age of the car. It's got a power tailgate, and yeah, light leather interior. It's a Mercedes-Benz trunk liner, very indicative of the previous owner, to be honest with you. Just press this little button up here, gets the tailgate to go down. Fabulous looking car, stunning condition, really has been looked after beautifully. It's currently on all matching Continental sport contact tyres. Again, just another instance of how well the previous owner has looked after this vehicle. I cannot find a mark on it, save some very small stone chips on the door edges, but really minor. And given the age of the car, simply stunning condition. And only covered less than 33,000 miles from new, and all supported by that vital Mercedes-Benz history. I'll show you a couple of features inside the car. I'll show you the back first. So like I mentioned, light grey leather interior, back seats barely used, in simply stunning condition, unmarked, not stained, ripped or anything like that. And all the door cards are unmarked as well. Sorry about the wind noise. So as you can see, car's covered 32,381 miles, which for an 11-year-old vehicle is nothing at all. I'll show you the history we've got for the car. So previous owner was kind enough to leave this in the glove box for us. It's a full and complete documented service history, all with Mercedes-Benz, and it will show you the mileage intervals. But as you can see, it's been in every year, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, every single year with a Mercedes-Benz main dealer, having been last done at 32,127 miles, October last year. Pop that back in the glove box, and of course pass that to the next owner. I'll get the key out, we'll just start the car up and show you a couple of features. Like I said, the specification is simply staggering. I know some people who still don't wear a face mask on public transport. Bear with me, there's a mute button there. One thing I did forget to mention, you have an all-important sunroof back here, which is an electric slide sunroof. It's got a little cover on it to cover it as well, but if you put it back into place, there is a cover here, which you can put across as well to cut out the light. Auto dim rear view mirror, very rare option for a car of this age. All your stereo and everything all controlled through this little screen here. Electric adjust seats, as mentioned. The leather is in beautiful condition, just looks like it's barely been used. It's the same for the driver's seat. It has been very well looked after indeed. Steering wheel controls for your stereo, volume, hands-free phone, everything you'd expect. All electric windows and power fold mirrors. You've also got your stalk down here for cruise control and speed limiter. Dual zone climate control, air conditioning down here. You turn this on, set a temperature, and it will maintain it for you. And yeah, an automatic transmission with a couple of different settings on it for normal driving and for sport. A genuinely irreplaceable car. We will not get another car like this. They are very rare given the engine size, and particularly the history and the condition of it. Really is irreplaceable. Car will be supplied with a 12-month parts and labour warranty. That's included in the advertised cost of the car. That's underwritten by the RAC, so even if you're not local to us, you can still buy with confidence. Please feel free to give our sales team a call. We very much look forward to hearing from you. Cheers then, bye.